Working with 3D character art and found a DSI file, this is a pose preset for one of the most popular 3D figure posing applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load and apply these DAZ Studio pose files to your 3D characters. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier DSI file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. DSI files are pose preset files for DAZ Studio, the free 3D figure posing rendering and animation application. They contain saved character pose data, including joint rotation values, morph dial settings, and positioning information that can be applied to compatible 3D figures to recreate specific body poses and expressions. DAZ Studio DSI pose files use a proprietary format, storing hierarchical joint transformation data with rotation values for each bone in the figure's skeleton. The format includes morph parameter settings, face expression values, hand pose data, and optional material or shader adjustments associated with the pose preset. The guiding principle for opening DSI is to use DAZ Studio from DAZ 3D. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may preview only a static image, so full model analysis requires 3D viewing tools. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the DSI file and hit Open With. Test DAZ Studio if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. When your DSI file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common DSI failure areas. First, applying poses in DAZ Studio. Open DAZ Studio and load a compatible 3D figure into the scene. Navigate to the content library and browse to the DSI pose file location. Double-click the pose preset to apply it to the selected figure. The character's joints and morphs adjust to match the save pose configuration instantly. Next, adjusting applied poses. After applying the DSI pose file, fine-tune the result using the parameters panel in DAZ Studio. Adjust individual joint rotations, body morphs, and facial expressions to customize the pose for your specific scene. Use the Power Pose tool for intuitive click and drag joint manipulation on the viewport figure directly. Finally, creating custom poses. Pose your figure in DAZ Studio using the joint manipulation tools, then save the pose as a new preset using File, then save as Then Pose preset. This creates a new pose file that can be reapplied to the same figure type in future scenes. Organize custom poses in labeled content library folders for easy access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.